G'day food dudes, today we're going to make the ultimate French toast. Firstly, I did not use normal bread like this. I used something gangster. I call this the BBBBB or Penta B, otherwise known as Big Brain Brioche Bread Bun. I just find that it has a lot more flavour and adds richness to the French toast. Hey, but you can use whatever you want. Just make sure that the bread is a bit stale. Don't use fresh bread or it'll be too soft. Now with all French toast, you want a reasonable thickness, maybe around 3 centimeters thick. Now if you're from America, don't worry, I got you. 3 centimeters is about one small imperial bullet round. If you're from France, it'll be about 0.02 baguettes. Crack 2 eggs open. Crack it on a flat surface, that way you get less eggshells in it. I used to crack it on the edge of a bowl, and ever since I switched, I've had no eggshells. Put 1/3 of a cup of milk in. If you don't like measuring with a cup, 1/3 of a cup is about one mouthful. Here, I'll prove it to you. Obviously, don't do this unless you're cooking for yourself. Wow. 1 teaspoon of sugar in, which looks like it's about that much. Cinnamon powder. Give it the old whisk. Make sure you beat out all the egg white stuff. Totally optional, just a little bit of vanilla extract. Heat up a pan, put in some oil, and then some butter. The oil makes the butter not burn as easily. Once it's melted, get the bread, and then dunk it into the mixture. Make sure you don't soak it, just take it out as soon as you can, otherwise it'll be too soft. Slap it on. Don't leave it for too long. 1 minute, 2 minutes max. Flipping it over, it should look like that. Golden brown, so good. Plate, butter, more butter, honey, drizzle, little shizzle, and damn is that fun. Now I'm feeling kind of generous today, so I'm gonna show you how to make a French toast more French. So, this is the levels of French that everyone knows about. This is the God tier French level. And this is the anti-French level. Now, it ranges from 1 to 100. Going this way. Over here we have, let's not go there. Here is probably a baguette, but pretty close, just under here is, no, it's not a boomerang, it's a croissant. So we're gonna use this into our toast. Just watch and learn. Cut the croissant, halve the croissant, dunk the croissant, fry the condensed, butter it up, and I actually enjoyed this more than one before. What's this? Another way to make toast? This is a Hong Kong variant. First, cut off the crust, peanut butter, spread it real good, and then put one bread on top of the other bread. If I have to teach you how to make a sandwich, we got 99 problems, but a sandwich ain't one. Just dunk it very briefly on all sides, even the sides. That didn't make sense. On all the surfaces. Sizzle, or shizzle, flippity flip. This makes me happy. Get all sides, even the sides. Oh yeah. Now with this version we use condensed milk. Doesn't look good, but it tastes good. Here are the photos afterwards. Damn. Damn! If you have any suggestions about what I should cook next, please leave a comment, like and subscribe.